A very good morning to all my dear children. This is your English teacher welcomes you all again in the online teaching classes for the session 2020-21. My dear children, in today's class we will start new lesson number 1, the alphabet from the English grammar book. But before proceeding our today's class, let us have a revision of what we have learned in the previous class. My dear children, in the last class we learned about the alphabets. What are the alphabets? Alphabets are the set of symbols or letters arranged in order which are used for reading and writing English languages. This set of letters are from A to Z. There are total 26 letters in the English alphabet. See children, these are the letters A, B, C, D and it is till Z. It is also known as the set of symbols, and all of these letters are arranged in a order. Dear children, we also learned many new words starting from these letters from A to Z, like A for apple, B for banana, C for cat and like this. So let us start our today's lesson number 1, the alphabet. There are total 26 letters in the English alphabet. See children, first question is, look at the pictures and name them. What you have to do? You have to identify each picture and write down the name in the blank space given here. See, the first one is done for you. First picture is of a cat. So, C-A-T, cat. It starts with the letter C. Let's move to the next picture. The second picture is of a mango. It starts with the letter M. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Next picture is of a kite. It starts with the letter K. K-I-T-E, kite. Then the picture is of a king. K-I-N-G, king. Next picture is of a tree. It starts with the letter T. T-R-E-E, tree. Then comes the picture of an ant. A-N-T, ant. Next picture is of a pen. It starts with the letter P. P for pen. P-E-N, pen. Then comes the picture of a sun. S-U-N, sun. After sun, the picture is of an egg. E-G-G, egg. Then comes the picture of a hen. H-E-N, hen. Next picture is of a gun. G-U-N, gun. Next picture is of a tap. It starts with the letter T. T for tap. T-A-P, tap. After tap, the picture is of a fan. F for fan. F-A-N. Then comes the picture of a queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. After queen comes the picture of an umbrella. It starts with the letter U. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. After umbrella comes the picture of a bat. B for bat. B-A-T, bat. Next picture is of a jug. J-U-G, jug. Then comes the picture of a tiger. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Then comes the picture of a yak. Y-A-K, yak. Next picture of is a top. T-O-P, top. Next picture is of a tomato. Tomato, tomato. Then comes the picture of a car. C for car. Car, car. The last picture is of a rat. R for rat. Rat, rat. The answers are given below. You can see and write down from here. Let's move to the next question. B. What's the word? Children, you have to identify the picture and the words given here. You have to arrange the words in a correct form and write down the correct answer in the given blank here. See, the first picture is of a sun, but the word given here is arranged in a jumbled form. It is not arranged properly. Like the spelling of sun is sun, but what is written here? NUS. It is in jumbled form. So you have to arrange the letters in a correct form and write down the correct answer in the given here. First one is done for you. First picture is of a sun and the word given here is wrong. It is not arranged properly. NUS. So you have to arrange it properly. SUN and write down here. Question next number 2 is, the picture is of a moon. So what is the spelling of moon? MOON, moon. But the letters are again arranged here properly. It is arranged in a jumbled form. So you have to arrange in a correct form like MOON, moon. Third one is of a lion. And what is written here? NIOL. Again, the letters are arranged in a jumbled form. What is the correct spelling of lion? LION. So you have to write correctly in the given blank space there. Fourth one is, the picture is of a fish. Again, the letters are not arranged here properly. SHIF. So, do you know the spelling of fish? What is the spelling of fish? FISH, fish. So, write the correct answer here, fish. Fifth one, the picture is of a kite. And what is written here? TEKI. It is arranged in a jumbled form. You have to write the correct form. You have to write the new word. KITE. Sixth one is, picture is of a girl. And what is the spelling of girl? GIRL. You have to put all the letters in a correct order to form the proper word. So the answer is girl. GIRL. Seventh picture is of a boat. Again, write the correct order to form a new word, that is a boat. What is the correct spelling? BOAT, boat. Eighth one is the picture of a watch. What is the spelling of a watch? Yes, WATCH, watch. Ninth one is the picture of a tree. Again, you have to write the letters in a correct order to form the new proper word, that is tree. TREE, tree. Last, 10th picture is of a book. So, what is the spelling of a book? BOOK, book. Correct answer is book. Let's move to the question number C. Read the words backwards and make a new word. Children, this is little bit different from the above two questions. What you have to do, picture is given here and the word is also given here. You have to read this word from the backward. Like the first one is written here, WAS. You will not read it as was. You have to read the word from the backward. Like SAW. So what it will become? It will be saw. SAW, saw. And the picture is of a saw. Good. Next two. What is the word written here? NIB. So you will not read it as NIB, nib. You have to read the word from the back side like that, like BIN, bin. So what is the picture here? Bin. So the answer will be bin. Third is, what is the word here? GUM. So you will not read it as gum. Read the word from the backward, the back side, like MUG. So it will become mug. And the picture is also of a mug. So the answer will be mug. Fourth one, again you have to do the same. PAT, pet. You will not read it as pet. You have to read from the back side. So it will become TAP, tap. And the picture is also of a tap. Fifth one, TEN. You will not read it as 10. Read from the back side. So it will become NET, net. The picture is also of a net. So read the word NET, net. Answer will be net. Sixth one, TOP. You will not read it as top, TOP, top. No. Read from the back side. Then it will become POT, pot. And the picture is also of a pot. So the answer will be pot. Next question, number D. Make a smaller word from the given word. See children, many words are given here. What you have to do? You have to find the smaller word from these given words. Like the first one is done for you. First word is teacher. TEACHER. So you have to find out the smaller word in this word. So the smaller word is TEAT. Let's do the next one. Number 2 is mouth. MOUTH, mouth. So find out the smaller word from this word. Yes, the smaller word will be OUT, out. Number 3, elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. The smaller word from the elephant word will be, yes, ANT, ant. The smaller word will be ant. Number 4, butterfly. So BUTTER, butter, FLY, fly. So in this word you can make two smaller words. First one is butter, 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 and the second one is fly, FLY. So we can find two smaller words from this word butterfly. Next, fifth one is Sunday. SUNDAY, Sunday. Again we can find two smaller words from this word Sunday. First one is sun, 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 and the second one is DAY, day. Two smaller words, sun and day. Sixth one is kitten. KITTEN. So what will be the smaller word? Yes, ten. TEN, 10. Seventh one, candle. CANDLE, candle. So the children, the smaller word here will be can. CAN, can. Eighth one, minutes. MINUTES, minutes. So find out the smaller word here. Yes, NUT, nut. The smaller word from minutes will be nut. NUT. Ninth one, tomato. TOMATO, tomato. So children, the smaller word hiding in this word is, yes, mat. MAT, mat. Last, 10th word, kitchen. KITCHEN, kitchen. So what is the smaller word? Kitchen. Yes, hen. HEN. So children, these are the answers of question number B, question number C, and question number D. I hope you have learned these alphabets very properly, and in the next class we will continue our grammar section. Till then, take care. Thank you.